It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, let's start our second series of Last Mile to GATE 2023, and again today also I will be dealing some of the best questions which you might have not seen earlier, right? So let's start cracking the questions there. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 8th in overall category of GATE and ESE and ranked 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So most of the students ask me this doubt, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program, right? So that you can speak with your mentor, right, with your educator regarding all your doubts for your preparation. Each and every doubt will be solved and each and every test will be analyzed so that your mistakes are rectified and your score is boosted, right? And see here, you will be getting dedicated doubt clearing educators and you will be getting a personal coach, study planner, right, study booster sessions. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also, right? These are the features of plus and iconic. It's how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 2,200 per month, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will be getting 10% off After 10% of the price will be 53,737 for 24 months, and this is for 12 and 18 months. Of course, these are the normal prices now. For GATE 2023, 2024, and those who are preparing for GATE 24 and 23 again, Unacademy is giving an incredible offer, right? So, new year, new wishes, right? We are offering you 23% discount on your subscriptions, right? Do try to subscribe those who are serious and join the best quality courses. Now, these are the present prices now, right? I have given you the normal prices. Yes, these are the present prices. Of course, right? You will be getting EMI facility also. Those who want to get your dream fulfilled, yes, you can call to this number and get the details regarding your EMI. Yes, perfectly done. So, yes, we will start the questions here. Let me download the slides there. 1 second, I'll get the slides. Yes. So now observe the question there. I will solve this question, and coming to next question, right, I will be giving you 2 minutes from the next question. You try it, then I will start. Okay. So observe the question carefully. In a rectangle ABCD, AB is 25 centimeter it seems. BC is 15 centimeter it seems. A circular arc is drawn passing through A and C such that its center lies on AB it seems. Find the radius of the given circle is the question next. So I'll take the diagram there, then you can understand the things perfectly. Come up with the diagram. This is a rectangle ABCD, and it is given that AB is the diameter it seems. Right or wrong? Where the center lies on AB means AB will be the diameter. Okay, fine. So a circular arc is drawn it seems. So I'll draw the circular arc which passes through, a circular arc is drawn through A and C. Okay, fine. So I'll take down the circular arc like this. Yes, screen is not visible clearly. Take care, doubt hai bhai. Once again, refresh the thing there, right? This screen will be visible clearly, no? ABCD. This is a rectangle, and AB side is given as 25, BC side is given as 15. Again, the point given here is center lies on AB it seems. Now see this, I'll take down this as O. By this, what can I say? Can you say this is nothing but called radius? Am I right or wrong? I will take down my radius value as A. Now, if this is A, now closely observe there, from here to here this will also be A. Am I right or wrong? If I take down this as radius, now this is not radius beta, right? Am I right or wrong? This is 25 minus A. How many of you got this point there clearly? Done. Find the radius of the circle it seems. Now see here, everybody know rectangle vertex angle will be 90 degrees. Now observe that ABO is a right angle triangle. By this, what can I say? OB square plus BC square is nothing but equal to OC square. You calculate this and find out the A value, you will get the answer there. OB square is nothing but equal to 25 minus A whole square plus BC square is nothing but how much beta? So this is 15 ma. Look like 5, but it is 15 according to the given data. So 15 square is nothing but OC square is nothing but equal to A square. So 625 plus A square minus 50A plus 15 square is nothing but how much? Is it 225? Is equal to A square. That's an easy question, na? A square gets cancelled. 50A comes to this side. 625 plus 225 will be 850. Am I right or wrong? So what will be your A value? A value is nothing but equal to 7. A is nothing but called radius of the given circle, and your radius of the given circle is how much? It is 70. So how many of you got the logic there? Live rock, right? It depends upon your dedication beta, right? So how many hours you want to prepare, right? How much hours can you be dedicatedly give preparation? All these things will be counted. right? So as a random question, even I cannot answer this, right? So what's your basics? All these should be evaluated, then only I can suggest you. Now, a plain general mensuration question beta. If you can write down the data perfectly, yes, you can answer this question very easily. So the thing is, patience is required to solve this question. It might get little bit irritated by seeing the values. That's the only thing that you will be feeling difficulty. Otherwise, the question is very easy. Right? So please do try to hit the like button here, those who are in the class, so that I can reach to more number of audience. I request. Forty seconds more, beta. Any answer for this? Yes, for sure. That's what beta, right? So you ping me on the Telegram group, so we can speak personally regarding how much basic you know, how to prepare all these things. I'll help. Any answer for this? Ratio of A is to B is the question asked. Seconds more. Any answer, right? Where is Bhavesh? Where is Anshita Gupta? Where is Pralay Mehta? Naman Srinivas? The volume of a sphere of a radius A centimeter is equal to x cubic meter, it seems. The volume of a sphere, first of all, can anybody in the comment section box? Volume of a sphere, nothing but equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in the place of r, I have to take down a because it is given there, which is nothing but equal to x cubic centimeter, it seems. Or otherwise, sorry, x cubic centimeter. The curved surface area of a hemisphere. Now what is curved surface area of an hemisphere? Can anybody say the curved surface area of a hemisphere is nothing but equal to 2 pi r square. Of course, in the place of radius, I have to take a because the radius is given as a square. Is also equal to x, it seems. This is also equal to x centimeter square. Of course, right, I can equate this both. So by this, what can I write down? 4 by 3 pi a cube is nothing but equal to 2 pi a cube, a square, right? It is curved surface area only, you are not asked to find out the base there. So 2 will be left over here, pi gets cancelled, a cube, a square gets cancelled, a is equal to 3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Keep it aside. Let's find out the remaining. Similarly, the volume of a cone, in all these, if you know the formula, fatafat you can do it here. Volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now see here, radius is given as b, so in the place of b r, I have to substitute b square, and height is given as 9. So h place, I'll write down 9. Is y cubic centimeter, it is y, it's any other data there, and the total surface area of a cone. Right, total surface area of a cone formula will be how much? Pi r square plus pi r l. So see here, pi r square, I'll write down the formula, then I'll write down the data to don't have confusion. L is nothing but called slant height. L can be calculated with root of h square plus r square. Hope so you got this point there. Yes or no? Let's write down the data there. Now radius is b, it seems, so pi b square plus pi b. What is height given there? Height is given as 9, it seems. So this will be 9 square plus b square. This is the thing. This is also equal to y itself. So I can equate this both equations. So what can I do? I will do like this, right? I'll take down pi, I'll take down b as common there. So what will be left over? B will be left over plus root of 81 plus b square will be left over, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi b square 9. Am I right or wrong? This is the b square into 9. So pi b gets cancelled there. One b will be left over there. This will be 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what will be left over there, beta? 3b will be left over. So this b will go to that side, which will become 2b. 3b minus 2b is equal to root of 81 plus b square. So finally what can I write down? I'll square on both sides. This will become 4b square, and see this b square will come to this side, will become 81. Now automatically what will be this value there? 3b square is equal to 81. So 81 means 3 2s are 3 7s are. So b square is equal to 27. So what will be b value? B value is nothing but equal to 3 root 3. Now what is the question asked, beta? Find the ratio of A is to B is the point given there. I hope so you are getting my point there. So A is 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2. Now B is how much? 3 root 3. Automatically what will be the thing there? 1 is to 2 root 3 is nothing but your A is to B ratio. How many of you got this? So in this entire scenario, those who know the formulas can solve the question fatafat and easily, right? So A is to B is nothing but 1 is to 2 root 3. So I hope so I am clear regarding this. Done. So be active in the class, right? So see, what I can say is you have never seen this type of questions anywhere on any channel. But the best questions. Do try to solve it. Of course, if you go wrong, correct it where you are going. Okay. So let's go for the next one. Yes. One of the finest question in geometry and mensuration here. Those who can solve this automatically will be 99.9 percentile in here. Try this. So I have to boost like this, right? But until you don't solve the question. Seconds more. The answer. There are many students in the class. You should focus on solving the question there, right? Twelve, 11, 8, 9, 7. No one. Today I got medium level questions only here. Medium to easy only. No tough questions. Till now we have solved 2 questions now, both were easy only. So in a rectangle ABCD, we'll take a rectangle. In a rectangle ABCD, points F and G lie on the diagonal AC it seems. Okay, first of all this is a rectangle and this is the diagonal. On AC means this is the diagonal. What is the point given there? F and G lie on the diagonal AC and BF such that BF and DG are perpendiculars, it seems. Perpendiculars means here I'll draw it. This is a perpendicular and this is a perpendicular. Now you closely observe there, a rectangle is divided into two equal triangles by the diagonal. So ADC and ABC are congruent triangles. Am I right or wrong? So by this what can I say? So these are perpendiculars beta. So area of these triangles will be equal. So automatically what can I say? These are congruent triangles. आपने वही बोला, right? These are congruent triangles. Let me write down this one. Yes. Now this is F, it seems. Yes, BF, right? BF and DG are perpendiculars. Okay. Any other point given there? Now, if the ratio of AF and AG, AF is to AG is 9 is to 4, it seems. So I will take a common factor here to have a little bit more clarity, right? So A to F is 9x, AG is 4x. So automatically AG will be 4x, GF will be 5x. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And you closely observe there, AD side. So again, what is the point? And the ratio of sides is equal to M is to N, it seems. And M, and find the value of M plus N. If M is less than N means M must be breadth, N must be length of this. M and N are co-primes. Okay, I'll take. So say, देखो भाई, this is M, this is height, area will be same, and this side will also be same. Now see, this is M, this altitude will be damn surely same. Am I right or wrong? ABC area, ADC area are same now. By this what can I say? My FC side length must also be exactly same as likewise AGD. Will you accept with me? So that by this what can I decide? I'll write down in writing. My FC value must be exactly 4x. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfect. Now one more point. So I'll take down C angle as A. Now what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 minus A because this is a right angle triangle BFC. And again each vertex angle will be 90, so automatically this angle will be A. Now this is 90, again this angle will be 90 minus A. Oh, perfectly done. Now see here, by this what can I decide there? You observe there, triangle ABF is similar to triangle BCF. Right or wrong? All the sides are exactly same. Of course the sides will be in proportion only. In triangle ABF, what will I do is I will take down the perpendicular sides beta. I will take down the perpendicular sides BF by AF. BF is the smallest side, AF is the second largest side. Okay. I will do the same thing. Smallest side, second largest side. What is the smallest side here? In this BFC triangle, BCF triangle, CF is the smallest side. And automatically BF is the second largest. And I take down like this and crisscross this BF square is nothing but equal to AF into CF. Of course, you know all those values there. AF is 9x. Am I right or wrong? And what is CF value? CF value is 4x. So BF value will be 36x square. So what will be BF value? BF value is nothing but equal to 6x. Got this point there? Now, what is the question asked? In what way this will be helpful finding out BF? Okay, chalo, dekho. You closely observe. Then I will take down one more point. Tan BAF or tan BAC. I consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. I write down here. Consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, I will take down tan BAC. Now consider triangle BFC. In triangle BFC, I will be taking down tan CBF or FCFBC whatsoever. What is tan BAC? Opposite side is nothing but called BC. Adjacent side is nothing but called, what is adjacent side? Anybody? Adjacent side is AB. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Adjacent side is AB. Now come to this one. Tan CBF. Tan CBF. Opposite side is CF. Adjacent side is BF. Right or wrong? Now you closely observe there. What is BC value? BC value is M. What is AB value? AB value is N. How much is CF value? CF value is 4x. How much is BF value? 6x. By this, what can I write down? My m is to n is nothing but equal to 2 is to 3. I have removed all the common factors because you are asked to find out m and n are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers will not have any common factors. So what is the question asked? M plus n. M plus n value kitna tha? 2 plus 3. Is this equal to 5? Now see, this type of questions are being frequently asked in your CAT examination. If you observe the last PYQs, this m plus n values, co-prime numbers, all these things are being frequently asked. Yes, I hope so. It is clear. Shall we go for the next one? Let's go for the next one. Yes. So see, those who cannot understand this diagram, I have drawn a larger diagram. And you are asked to find out area of triangle ADE. Let's see how many can find out this. This is a question, a rehashed version of a previous question here. Of course, I made many changes in this question. Let's see how many can solve this. One minute more, beta. The answer for this. तो आज कुछ holiday था? Tomorrow is the holiday, ना? (32, 30, 29). Answer. Find the area of ADE is the question asked. No answers. यार क्या हो गया? चलो, I'll solve it. Now closely observe there, in the given figure, DE is given as 3, okay. R is radius is given as 2. Find the area of ADE. So देखो, I'll draw one more point there. Now, can I take down this as radius? Yes, I can take down this as radius. And see here. This I can take down as radius. This also I can take down as radius. How will all these help you? Let's see. I'll take down this as x point. I'll take down this as y point. Now closely observe there. This is 2. This will be 2, and this is exactly a square. This will be 2, and this will be 2. The same is applicable here. This is 2. This will also be 2, and this will also be 2. Now see, DE length is given as 3, so XE length will be 1. Okay. So I'll take down one more point. So I will drop a line segment exactly from E to here, which will be exactly equal to 4. Yes, it is square J. Now see here, this length and this length will be equal. Now closely observe there, this will be equal to 1. Hi Pralay, just now I asked you here. Now closely observe there, beta. I'll write down one point there. I'll take down this point as A, B, C, D, E, F. I'll take down this as G. Now you closely observe there from F to C. C is an external point. I have drawn a line segment from C to F, which is nothing but touching at only one point on the circle. I will be taking down this as tangent. Now CY is also tangent. CY and FC will be equal because they are drawn from an external point onto the circle. So YC value will be A and FC value will be A. FC value will be A and देखो बेटा GC value will be A minus 1. Everybody understood this. I can take down one more point. You closely same property. E is an external point to the circle. I have dropped a line segment EX and EY. Both are touching at only one point on the circle and these are tangents and these tangents are equal because you have drawn from an external point. So EY value will be 1, EX value will be 1. Okay, chalo, fine. So I will find out A value. Now observe triangle EGC. If you observe triangle EGC, it is a right angle triangle where EG length will be 4 square plus GC length will be A minus 1 whole square. Now EC value will be A plus 1, A plus 1 A plus 1 whole square. So for your understanding, I'll write down the point again here. EG square is equal to EG square plus GC square is nothing but equal to EC square. Now find out A value, then automatically your question will be done. So 16 plus A square plus 1 minus 2A equal to A square plus 1 plus 2A, sorry, excuse me. A square plus 1, A square plus 1 cancels and A value will be equal to 4. Finally done. A value is equal to 4. And I can write one more point beta. Now what happens here is you closely observe it. BE value is equal to 3. Now how much is BC value? A value is nothing but equal to 4, BC value is nothing but equal to 6. By this what can you decide there? D is the exact midpoint of this triangle, because by midpoint theorem what can I say? When DE line segment is parallel to DC, it will be exactly half, right? Shivam, right? So see, this is a YouTube class. I cannot stop a class and explain you, right? You can ping me on a Telegram group, I'll help you. Now D is exactly midpoint and E is exactly midpoint. I have drawn a line segment touching those D and E midpoints. By midpoint theorem, see here, it will be exactly half of the base. Base value is 6 and D is 3. So by this I can easily decide, ab dekho beta, this is 2 plus 2, 4 na. Now how much will be AD value? D is midpoint. This will be exactly 4. Am I right or wrong? And you know E is midpoint. What is this value? EC value. EC value is nothing but equal to 5. So automatically what will be this value? This value will be 5. I hope so you are understanding my logic there. Perfectly done. And my question can be done fatafat here. You are asked to find out area of triangle ADE. Half into base value into BC into height value AB. Followed by what's your answer there? Half into 6 into now this is how much? 8. Am I right or wrong? 2 1s are 2 3s are. So your answer will be 24. Area of the triangle is nothing but equal to 24. So how many of you got this logic there? Please let me know. Have you understood this? So a little bit I have gone. Okay. You are asked to find a triangle ADE beta. Asked to find a triangle ADE. I got ABC. This is triangle ABC. Sorry. You are asked to find a triangle ADE. Where is this? Triangle ADE will be exactly half only, na? No. Triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. Half into base value is DE. Height value is AD. What is your answer there? Half into 3 into automatically it is 6 beta. 6 is your answer. Yes, Jayant, it is 6. Very good, excellent. One such beautiful question, right? See here a single line data question, but see the depth of the question, how much you have to solve in order to find out the answer. So exact usage of properties to find out the answer. Done? One of the best questions. Let's come to the next one. Yes, this is an easy one beta, right? This is an PYQ. Of course, rehashed question of PYQ. Let's see how many can solve this. Yeah, Jayant, you are right. So you are asked to find out area of the square PQRS. The answer for this अरे यार easy question यार, you can solve it. PQRS is a square, it seems. Square. PQRS is a square. Aniket, right? NLN10 is my Telegram group here. A referral code is my Telegram group. NLN10. देखो SMS किया. Now, right? What? A point A is on the side PQ. Okay. Such that AP is 4.5 centimeters. It seems. So see here. There is a point called A on PQ, it seems. So AP length is nothing but given as 4.5 centimeters. Okay. It is known that area of triangle AQR is 50 centimeters square. देखो बेटा AQR it seems. I will take down like this. Now let us suppose take PQ value as X. Now this value will be how much? X minus 4.5. As it is square, XR value, QR value will also be X, because all the sides are same. Now this is a right angle triangle because vertex angles of a square will be 90 degrees. By this, what can I write down? X minus 4.5 whole square, or otherwise, right? I'll do like this. Area of this triangle is given a half into base value is nothing but equal to X minus 4.5. And your height value is nothing but given as X is nothing but equal to 50. I will be getting a quadratic equation. X square minus 4.5x minus 100 is equal to 0. So what can I do there? To closely observe there, 12.5 into 8 will be 100 better. 12.5 into 8 will be 100. Yes, very good. So 12.5 minus 8 will be 4.5. So I can write down the roots like this. X square minus 12.5x plus 8x minus 100 is equal to 0. So see, the roots will be x into x minus 12.5, and how much will be this? Plus 8 x minus 12.5. So what positive answer will be your value? And x is equal to 12.5. Now what is your question asked? You are asked to find out area of the square PQRS. Area of the square PQRS is nothing but called x square. 12.5 whole square will be your answer. 12.5 whole square is nothing but how much beta? 156.25 centimeter square will be your answer. This is your answer. So how many of you got this? As simple question, na? Chal, let's solve one more question. This is my all-time favorite question here. Let's see how many can solve this. I will solve in very innovative way. I'll cover all the topics, right? Question is easy, solving is tough. Now, this question is tough and solving is also a little bit on higher level. Let's see, right? So those who have very good knowledge on geometry mensuration can solve this question fatafat. I'll explain you in detail. You can solve with this question with similarities of triangles approach, or you can solve in another way also. Area square will be, what's the question asked, Pralay? Is it previous one or present one? What is the question that you are asking? Area of square will be 625. What is the 625? No. X value is 12.5. Na? X is total side of the square beta. X is total side square. Previous only. X is nothing but side of the square. Na? Dekho. PQ value is nothing but X. Observe the question. Achal, I'll solve this question here. Here is a triangle, it seems. Let me write down this one. Yeah, Bajpai, I'll explain step by step. Don't worry. Then आराम से देखो, that's it. Now this is a triangle, it seems. I have to take a circle also. Take out this. Triangle ABC has AB 21, AC 22, DC 20. Points B and E are located on AB and AC, it seems. So this is a triangle ABC. E is parallel to BC, it seems. Okay. And contains the center of the inscribed circle of a triangle. So see here, this B I'll take down. This is the inscribed circle. Okay, no issues here. That's what correct your circles. Now see here, DE is a line segment, it seems. Now see, D is not a midpoint beta, just they have given a line segment, that's it. I'll be taking down like this. So this is D, this is E. And see here, this contains center of the circle, it seems. I'll take down like this. One more point. Now when you inscribe a circle in a triangle, so when will in circle will be formed? It will be, the in center will be nothing but called intersecting point of all angle bisectors. Am I right or wrong? So I'll draw the angle bisectors. Now see here, this is an angle bisector. This is an angle bisector. And this is an angle bisector. So no, I'll take down all those values there. Let me wait. So let me write down. Now this is O. I'll take down this as O, center of the circle. Now DE, I'll take down this as F. I'll take down this as G. I'll take down this as H. The intersecting point of all angle bisectors is nothing but called in center. Now this is your in center. So again, AB value is nothing but given as 21 beta. BC value is given as 20. Okay, I'll write down here. Now AC value is nothing but given as 22. I'll write down here. So all these points are given now. I'll not write down to confuse. Now see here, we have a theorem called Bajpai internal angle bisector theorem. अब देखो बेटा, if I take AF as internal angle bisector, now what will be the theorem according to internal angle bisector theorem? According to internal angle bisector theorem, if the angle bisector is AF, If the angle bisector is AF, then what will be the theorem there? AB by AC is nothing but equal to BF by FC. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. By this, what can I write down? BF by FC is nothing but equal to AB value is how much beta? 21. AC value is nothing but 22. So by this, what can I write down? My BF value is 21. My FC value is 22. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's come to this. No, James, you cannot say they are perpendicular unless until if it is an equilateral triangle only. Median, angle bisector, perpendicular will be equal. These are not perpendiculars. Okay. Now, must not directly consider. Now let us suppose if I take down BG as angle bisector, BG as angle bisector, then BA divided by BC, BA divided by BC is nothing but equal to how much mark? AG by GC. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now AG value will be how much beta? BA value is nothing but how much? 21, and this is 20. Am I right or wrong? BC value is 20. By this, what can I write down? AG value is 21, GC value is 20, GC value is 20. Similarly, I will write down this one also. If CH is the angle bisector, CA by CB is nothing but equal to AH by HB. Okay. Now closely observe there, AC value is 22 and ABC value is 20. So by this, what can I write down? My AH value is 22 and my HB value is 20. Okay. So here I will use mass point geometry in order to find out the values here. Closely observe. So see here, by mass point geometry, everybody know M1 L1 is equal to M2 L2. Am I right or not? I have explained you this mass point geometry. Now see here, this is 21 length beta. This 21 length will be weight at C. Now see here, this 22 is the length of FC. So I will be putting a weight of 22 at B. So this is the central pivot of this BC. So how much will be the length there? 43. 22 plus 21 will be 43 now. So therefore I will write down all those things. Now see here, length AH is 22, so the weight must be 22 as satisfied. So here 20 is the length, at A the weight must be 20. Up देखो closely, GC length is 20, weight must be 20 on A. Now 21 again it is satisfied. Now what is the weight here that should be put there? 41. What is the weight that should be put here? 22 plus 20, 42. This is called your central pivot value O. Now closely observe there, from all the sides it should be same. So 21 plus 42, it is 63. Yes. Here 41 plus 22, 63. Here 20 plus 43, it is 63. Perfectly done. Now by this, what can I say? If you closely observe there, see here, weight that you put on F is 43. So the length of AO should be 43. The weight that you put on A is 20, so OF length should be 20 by mass point geometry. Perfectly done here. Now I will solve the question there. Observe there. And you are observing two triangles. Observe that triangle ABC and triangle ADE are similar triangles. Both have same angle A, and DE, BC are parallel, and they will be proportionate for sure. ADE. So by this, what can I write down? You closely observe there. In ABC triangle, BC is nothing but equal to similar to DE, and they are residing on same heights. I can write on that point also. Now ABC full triangle side length will be AF. As Jen said that, taking down that as perpendicular height altitude. Now this will be what mark? AO. Am I right or wrong? It will be AO. Now I will write down the values there. Now BC value is how much beta that you have written there? 20. How much is your AF? AF is 63. Am I right or wrong? You have added the lengths there. How much is AO? AO is 43. Everybody know. This is what you have to find out DE. Now calculate this. 43 into 20 divided by 63 is nothing but given as a PE value. And you closely observe that there are no common factors between numerators and denominators data. So finally I can write down this as 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 860 by 63. And see here, this is nothing but call your M and N. So again the same question there, M is 860, N is 63 because you don't have any common factors between them. So M plus N will be 860 plus 63, 923 is your answer. So see here, I have used internal angle bisector theorem, I have used mass point geometry. So mass point geometry might be a new concept beta because all the Unacademy CAT channel doesn't have that much geometry questions there. I have dealt in detail, right? Those who want to excel in geometry in CAT, so my classes will be damn helpful for you, trust me. Right? That's the clear, and you can solve with similarities also, direct similarities also. But that will be little bit tough. So we'll solve one more question, then I'll end the class there. This is the question there. Let's see how many can answer this. Remaining questions we'll solve tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow also we have a class, sharp 10 PM. We'll solve those questions. Try this. Seconds more here. Realize saying that D, very good, excellent beta. That was the best question. Chalo, right? Now I'll draw the diagram. The water sprinkler is like this here. Water sprinkler will sprinkle like this. Am I right or wrong? Everybody know about this. So what I will do is I will draw a circle there. Take down a circle there. I'll draw a quadrilateral, right? Right? So how to score good marks? I mean, which topic are you weak? So join the Telegram group here. So see, most of you are asking me. My Telegram group is NLN10. You can ask me each and every doubt in those Telegram group. I'll share the links regarding that. Right? Whatever the topic it is, LR, DI, whatsoever. I have done some 300 LR sets on YouTube channel itself on Kreatryx. I'll share all those things. Right? Ping me on this. Now bolo beta. A water sprinkler can spray water to a distance of 10 meters in every direction. Let us suppose that your water sprinkler it is placed in the quadrilateral garden and is found that it can just spray water to all the 4 vertices it seems. Matlab, see here, is this the thing where it can spray all to the 4 vertices means up to here, yes or no, or otherwise I will take down like this. So see, Yes or no? It's perfect. Now, some parts will be outside. Now, what could be the maximum area of the quadrilateral garden? So, in order to find out the maximum quadrilateral area, this quadrilateral should be damn surely square only. You can check with all the formulas better, right? I am not asking you to do only with this. You check all the quadrilaterals. So, let us suppose take this is A. Now, your this value will be root 2A. This root 2A value is nothing but given as 20 beta, because 20 from 10 to 1 vertex na. 10, this is 10, this is 10, 20. So by this, what can I say? My A value is nothing but equal to 20 divided by into root 2 by 2. So which will be 10 root 2. In order to find out maximum area, this should be square, and area of this square will be A square. A square value is equal to 200. So see here, no other value is more than this now. I am right. Perfectly. Na?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, let's start our second series of Last Mile to GATE 2023, and again today also I will be dealing some of the best questions which you might have not seen earlier, right? So let's start cracking the questions there. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 8th in overall category of GATE and ESE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So most of the students ask me this doubt, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program, right? So that you can speak with your mentor, right, with your educator regarding all your doubts for your preparation. Each and every doubt will be solved and each and every test will be analyzed so that your mistakes are rectified and your score is boosted, right? And see here, you will be getting dedicated doubt clearing educators, and you will be getting a personal coach, study planner, right, study booster sessions. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also, right? These are the features of plus and iconic. It's how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 2,200 per month, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 53,737 for 24 months, and this is for 12 and 18 months. Of course, these are the normal prices now. For GATE 2023, 2024, and those who are preparing for GATE 24 and 23 again, Unacademy is giving an incredible offer, right? So new year, new wishes, right? We are offering you 23% discount on your subscriptions, right? Do try to subscribe, those who are serious, and join the best quality courses. Now these are the present prices now, right? I have given you the normal prices. Yes, these are the present prices. Of course, right, you will be getting EMI facility also. Those who want to get your dream fulfilled, yes, you can call to this number and get the details regarding your EMI. Yes, perfectly done.